As we grow up, our body goes through a lot of changes. Metabolism becomes slower, we become prone to arthritis, and the worst comes when wrinkles start appearing all over our face. The body has many ways to indicate that it is growing old. One of the prominent features that aging brings is baggy eyelids. It doesn't matter whether you have a good sleep or not. Your skin tends to lose that youthful elasticity that leaves your eyelids hanging. It looks terrible, and we would love to do something about it. Actually, if we don't do anything at the right time, then the condition gets worse. So, whenever you spot that your eyelids have started hanging, it's time to mend it. But how would you do it? There are many products in the market, but few among them are natural. Chemicals are terrible for the skin, and especially so when your skin is slowly getting older. It is best not to experiment with different products that might actually harm your skin in the long run instead of doing any good. Plus, these creams generally come at a huge cost. Why would you want to pay that high when there are natural solutions to it? Yes, while the baggy eyelid is a terrible problem, there is a solution that can help you get rid of it, and fast too. Plus, it will not harm your skin. Why don't we try it out then? All you would require is 1 egg white. It is like a facial dressing. First, you have to remove all the makeup from around your eyes and let the skin dry. Don't use anything while they are drying. Once the drying process is complete, apply the egg white to your eyelids. Keep your eyes shut while you apply the ingredients. You can put a bandage on your eyelids so that the egg white stays and doesn't run off. Keep your face up and let the egg white dry. How does it happen? At first, you won't find any outcome, but don't discard this method just yet. If you apply it twice, then you can start seeing the actual result. Science has it all. Egg white has certain elements in it that can help to tighten the skin as well as replenish any kind of lost versatility. However, no skin issue can be cured just in a moment. As a result, you have to keep applying this dressing every 2 days. In due time, you will see your drooping eyelids vanish. Drink water too. Our skin needs a lot of water, so never forget to keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lot of water as it can help you with eyelid twisting and maintaining your skin. There is no alternative to this. Water is the best cure for any kind of skin problem. So, you have your facial solution right here. Now, you don't have to go for costly creams in the market when you have your cream in the refrigerator. Just start the routine and see the magic.